Okay, the only reason why I'm doing this in high definition is hopefully the sound quality will improve, although the amp might be too high and it might just compress the sound to the point of you not being able to tell. But the purpose of this demonstration is signal pass. Here I have a Strat guitar which is got single coil pickups, particularly prone to sounding thin in the first place. Running through a typical distortion pedal that does have non-true bypass, as far as I know. Okay, if I'm wrong, then you can correct me. But I don't think the original Boss pedals. Now this is a Boss OS2. Okay, now first of all, I want you to listen to the sound of just my guitar in this amp. Now it's not so much on, say, a rhythm figure that you're going to notice it. It's on the thinness of the lead sound. So I'm going to try to turn down a bit. Otherwise it's really going to compress in that video. Okay, so it's a reasonably fat Strat sound. It's not a bad sound, okay? Even when I start getting into screechier shit, okay, it thins out a bit, but not terribly. Okay, now all I'm going to do is I'm going to interrupt that signal path with a foot pedal that's turned off. But it's a foot pedal that's non-true bypass. Okay? So in theory, should be no change to the sound. Now, if you have very discerning ears, or I'm crazy, one of the two, I'm either right and it's a matter of discerning hearing, or I'm just nuts and I'm imagining something. But in my mind, that's not sounding as good anymore. Okay, it's gone from what I would call a fat tube sound to a thin solid state sound. Okay, let's do one quick. We'll just do two comparisons here. Okay, back to the other. Is that not fatter? Does that not sound better? There's nothing solid state about that. Okay, they're both analog signals, but this is tube, straight up tube. No solid state interruption, really. The other ones, to me, sounds like I just switched to a solid state amp. I don't know, you be the judge. What do you think? Thanks for watching.